Assalamu alaikum, chat. What are you all saying? What's going on? Hope you all are doing extremely well. Firstly, my God, we are on 9,547 in our evaluation. That's crazy. We were up 6%, and now we're down 5.5%. A little bit concerning, I'm not gonna lie. Um, what's it called? If I quickly just share screen. And if we see GBP, JPY, currently within London session, it is bro. Like this is what I don't understand, right? It's hit a fair value gap, retested it many times. You know what's crazy? How it reacted off of this and started to go down, but eventually stopped me out in my original position. And then it comes down again, goes up, and then it breaks structure again. So I just don't get it. Like, do you want me to put in three positions? Or should I like tuck stops a little bit outside the fair value gap? So, I mean, it's it's annoying because you have good setups where price break structure out of a reaction off of the fair value gap, but just like tucking your stops a little bit higher, sacrificing even higher RR for it. I mean, it's a little annoying. It is a little annoying that way. So yeah, currently within EU. Okay, with EU, we're seeing price get on an uptrend. Question is, does this uptrend want to continue? Can I use EQ and do this? But there's like no fair value gap. There's literally no fair value gap chart. There's literally nothing. So I don't get what I'm gonna be playing with. At least for EU, if I were to find something. UJ has been very difficult lately. He's just been hitting stop loss after stop loss. I don't. I mean, I don't think it's a buy, bro. But just look at this. Price was here. I drew out this fair value gap, and then what would it look like in a 15 minute? Oh, it's like perfectly identical with the 5 minute. But if we took a 5 minute trade, say we took it here, because that is here, this candle. But if first light retracement talk stops to this high, and then take it all the way down to EQ. Oh, that would have been beautiful, dog. Would have been a beautiful trade. Bro, like we have, what's it called? have literally two entries. So the annoying part is it's just not materializing. And yeah, so like, this is crazy. Chat, we were up 6%. Now we're down. That's all part of the lesson. I mean, same with, bro, everything reacted off of a fair value gap. It seems like. Let me see for USD CHF. Bro, EQ over here. Bang. Another fair value gap. Price perfectly reacting. Head down to the 5 minute. I would enter. So broke structure over here. Came down. See if you enter over here. And then tuck stops right there. In the end, bang. Oh, you're looking at a 4.91 from. Bro, these RRs are insane, fam. If we put two trades, we'd already be back in profit. Bro, that's crazy, fam. Well, I don't think I'm sharing. Hello, hello. Yeah. Basically, so you can see for UJ in this trade, perfect reaction of the fair value gap here. Same for USD CHF, reaction off of this fair value gap right there, and price just tanks. And then I think we're currently seeing it with GJ right now, where price did hit a specific TP point, and I think even what about this? Yeah, bro, Asian session was primed to trade, but we weren't looking to trade it because I wanted to take London on, but yeah, it's I don't know what the hell's going on, bro. I don't know what we're doing wrong because we're finding some of their setups like this. So that I don't know why it's not materializing. Like these ones, these trades really hurt me. So that's the annoying bit. Okay, but what I do see is no, am I late? I could be late. Bro, what the fuck are these reactions, bro? No way in hell am I freaking chat. Do you see this? This is a potential fair value gap on the 1 hour. This will be a bullish fair value gap for 1 hour. Now you're gonna wait for 50-minute POS. Where the hell am I gonna get that? Where am I gonna get that? Look at these wicks, bro. What the frick just happened? What is this? Y'all see this, bro? I don't know what this is. Um, Prime setup right here. Yeah, bro. That's annoying. Could have easily made some good money with this. Now, I don't think we have a lot of setups available. Anything on gold? Let's see. Gold. Holy cow. What the hell is this, bro? Jesus. Look at put position. As a demon, bro. Oh, because they put a liquidity sweep breaker structure. Oh, that's a beautiful liquidity sweep. That is beautiful right there, child. Wait for um that is beautiful. Oh Lord. Now for this, if I do that, I should have 15-minute fair value gaps, which I do. And the clearest one that I can see over here is this one, which price tapped into. And if it's on the 5-minute, price tapped into and broke structure. So if I do this, 223 stops at 228, and then boom. That's crazy, bro. Bro, the strategy works, fam. I don't get what we're doing wrong. What are we doing wrong? Why does this stop sharing? Here on gold. Oh, wait, what? Bro, even on gold as well. Gold just stopped into a fair value gap right here. This is insane. Endless opportunities, but the ones we end up taking just backfire. The market hates us, yeah. I think we should call it quits on the market today. But I don't seem to see. Ooh, this could be I think this could be an order block right now. Oh, that's too good. Not on the 15-minute. Yes, this could be an order block on the 15-minute. Oh, excuse me. So if I remove this and then mark out this OB for AJ, create an order block over here. This could be a potential order block. I don't know. I'm not sure the next time price would hit this area, but definitely take a look at it. No one there. So we have this, which also swept this liquidity right here as well. And it broke structure on the 15-minute because it's a smaller order block, and it allows us to get even more RR. So that's the most important thing. Um, let's see. I don't think we'll be able to see any setups play out. Maybe EU could play out. Maybe. But then again, bro, I was looking for buys. I was actually looking for buys yesterday and nothing happened. So I'm not entirely sure. Then I checked the analysis. Yes, price has been on a downtrend, but the last couple of days it's come up, and maybe what price could also do is react off of this order block right here, right? And give us another move downwards. But I don't know when price would hit this order block. So we need to be patient basically. Okay, let's see. bro. Like TP's been hit on a lot of areas, bro. So yeah, it's definitely annoying to see that. But at this point, I'm not looking for any UJ bias right now, bro. UJ's been down, just fucking trade the trend. No other thing, bro. That's not BS about. That's not much about, bro. GJ's on JPY is only looking like sells. But this one, AJ's been up for a little bit. CJ, I don't know. Ooh. Yo, what is this? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, I'm entering cells. And these are 15-minute fair value gaps. So if I decide to enter a cell, what would that mean? Yo, I'm just gonna enter a light position and see what happens. 0.35. So at this point, bro, the account's like gone, so I don't care. No, I'm kidding. Of course I care. But price has retested this fair value gap and broken structure. So let's see. So price chat. This was a previous EQ that I had drawn. What we do see is price literally respected this fair value gap very nicely over here, and then just oh god, why did it stop sharing? So price respected this fair value gap here, broke structure, created a lower high, now seems to be reversing off of the reaction to this fair value gap. That looks like a nice entry. So why not freaking take it? So yeah, let's see what happens. Um, how long is my stop, bro? We've been down bad, bro. I just want to get a win, and then I can start risking a little higher, bro. That's it. That is all I freaking care about. There's 3 pip stop loss. That's crazy. I think I definitely took stops higher. Oh, and I still have 1 to 4. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. And the price is already against me. But I don't know. Let's see. That's crazy. Zero. Hit it a lower high. CJ as well. Chat, we had opportunities, but we couldn't take them. We just been taking too many L's, and so that's affected us. That's affected the evaluation. But glad to be getting these lessons nonetheless, because we have to get these lessons, take these lessons, and learn from them.
Yeah, take these lessons. You're short enough. You're short enough. Yo, bro, UJ is killing me.
Bro, UJ had a perfect sell during Asia. I was
Yeah,
not.
I noticed. I
I
was on
was
your
not.
stream.
I was. You saw? Do you see my analysis?
The 5 minute fair value gap.
These are 15.
One you marked on 5, but it was also
It
15.
was also 15. Yeah, bro. Holy shit.
Trust me, bro. After the fact, after I tried to buy my brains out, I saw and I was like, God damn it. It's
Bro, just look at this
all.
BS, bro. This
Let me
is
see your
crazy.
stream.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Why
I'm on your
does
stream.
why does it stop thing? It stops sharing. Are you
No, it
sharing?
doesn't. Oh, no, I'm not sharing. But yeah, I noticed on the stream, that's why I thought you stopped streaming.
Yeah, bro. It would stop sharing randomly. I was like, wait, what?
Hasn't done that with me before, but
Yeah,
no, UJ buys, man. They really hurt me today. Okay, I
bro.
went for it.
I was looking at AJ and I'm just like, bro. Imagine we caught this trade.
You catching this cell, bro? See, that's the thing. I don't know why we didn't. You know what? I think
You-
I've been thinking a lot. Okay, where
Mm,
I'm thinking you should always trade against the trend until you can. That's how you catch all the trend moves. I was thinking, I'm like, how can Mans catch, like, once it started selling, should have hopped on sell
yeah,
till we got stopped out after like 6, 7, 8, 9 trades.
yeah,
And then we would see the reversal happen in front of our eyes,
yeah, yeah,
or our trade goes like 900 pips and then goes 600 back. Like right now, bro, it went up like 500 and right, I don't know, the last stream I said that the price will hover around exactly 145 because whoever is, you know, the composite operator, whoever is leading the market wants to lead it to an even number, 145.5, 145, whatever
yeah,
it may be. So I went out and I put the liquidity line. Liquidity was swept, but I put the liquidity line on 145. Come back, it tapped it. Literally by like two
mm,
pips.
yeah, yeah.
But I don't know when. I think the buy is already here.
This was your original position on MetaTrader?
Which one for you, Jay? Show me.
This
I'm watching your screen. This is not you, Jay. This is AUD.
USD JPY.
Yo, your screen is on
Oh,
AJ.
sorry.
AUD.
No, I was sharing the tab. Give me a minute. Give me one sec. Um, share screen. Entire screen. Was this your original position for UJ?
No.
Bro, you're targeting 1 to 23.
No, that's just because I moved the stops after price went up. I moved the stop, but it was like
Okay.
920, 930.
Yay! Yay!
Give
Now,
us some.
fun this, bro. The biggest heartbreak I received was freaking EU yesterday.
EU.
Yesterday, bro.
I
Killed
can
me.
tell that one hurt,
I
buddy.
was up
That one,
170. I was up 170 two
that
times.
one stung you.
I was up USD 170 two times. And I thought I was gonna make like $400. But then I don't know why it just fucking tanked. Perfect reaction, goes up, reacts again, goes up, bang.
Yeah,
I'm just like, bro, what? And then here, bang, goes up nicely, bang. Bro, like, what do you want me to do? I'm just a human. Okay, I mean, did you hear my AU call out?
yeah.
Huh.
Virtually, not all of it, but it makes sense.
Yeah,
Just love
because
it
it
can make a
created the
chart.
lower high and react and broke structure off of the second fair value gap. So I'm like, bro, I'm done trade so I don't care. And it's a good risk to reward on a 20 pip freaking on 20 pips. Yeah, 25 pips. That's a good RR for 26
Very
pips.
good or you can
Yes,
even put the stop loss a bit higher because it can tap the fair value gap again.
it could, but bro, what the fuck? We shouldn't be trading 0.35 lots.
I thought you put 1.35.
Hell no.
Oh my god, what are you doing with 0.35, bro?
Broski, we've been down so bad. I just need some validation that the strategy works.
Bro, these guys are getting payouts 4, 5, 8, 20K, bro, a week. So
Bro, I
we are
swear to
doing
God.
something wrong with the same strategy.
Bro, we literally had three trades we could have taken during Asia. So
Yo, you're looking at so many pairs. I'm looking at two, GJUJ. Fuck.
I'm just looking at the pairs. Yeah, I'm just looking at our top 10. Bro, you know what's crazy? Like, bro, my eyes without an alarm opened at 3 a.m. That's crazy, bro.
Really? So you were
Yeah,
asleep.
yeah, I was asleep, bro. I
I
slept.
knew it.
Of course I'd sleep, bro. Bro,
No.
I wake up, I'm up in the morning, bro, like 7 a.m., 6:30, 7 a.m. Like, a lad gets tired, bro.
What time are you sleeping these days? Oh,
11, 12. Today I slept at 11:30. I
mm,
slept at 11:30. And then
beautiful.
what I like to do is if I do have an early morning wake up, I'm always like, yo, Allah, please make me up at the time that I prescribed upon myself. Boom. My eyes opened by themselves at 3 a.m.
That's
Alhamdulillah.
beautiful. I'm
So
moving now.
this London session breakdown, this London session trading session was a must. It was imperative.
Yeah.
But yeah, this
No,
is gonna be my position for the night. So hopefully we see the necessary move.
you stay with me just a second. I'll do it.
Yeah, of course. What are you eating? Oh, like went on mute. All good.
Holy, bro. Is AUD USD stuck or something?
Is it stuck?
Oh, no, I couldn't see it. Yeah, I can see it now. Bruh. You know the video I sent you today about that guy talking about reversals and then it sweeping lower than reversing? fucking happened, bro. I almost knew it. Like taking like looking at UJ during Tokyo session, bro. You know how hard I wanted to sell this thing. I wanted to sell
No,
it.
you went against it again.
Yeah, because bro, an uptrend was forming, and
Mm,
it tapped. If you go on my chart, you'll see 2 or 3
wait, give me one sec.
5 minute trends bullish.
Ah, kilo there.
What?
1 hour fair value gap top 10.
No, it's
Wait,
crushing it.
yeah, it's okay. So we're gonna.
That means UJ is booming right now. I'm fucking crying. It is
Bro,
booming.
what is this?
Holy crap.
What is
So
this?
from this test position, bro, you're gonna get a fucking brain aneurysm from UJ.
No, you're not entering any more buys. Khalas.
No, 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 no. Maybe one more, but I'm not. But I'm not.
Bro, do you
But
know?
maybe one more.
Bro, do you know how many fucking buys we have on UJ?
Yeah, stop. Don't tell me, bro. I counted like 17.
Bro, it's only buys on UJ. And yet we're still losing when we try
No, it's
to sell.
15 buys, 14 buys.
That's insane. You put a tool on,
Taking,
you demon.
taking, bro. I only made money off the sales on UJ. What a fucking scam. I'm an idiot. Never made a single dollar off of a buy. No, I made like 150. Garbage, bro. Garbage. It's a shame. It's a
Bro, just
shame. It could be
give me a
still
win.
trending down. Listen, bro, if I look at it objectively, the index is trending down. That means UJ should go down even more. Okay.
Mm.
It swept these lows. Oh, my screen is not sharing. Go on DXY.
Sorry, one sec.
You see these 3 equal lows? Like
Where?
starting from here. Starting from here. This is
Oh,
1. This
mm,
is 2.
yeah.
This is 3.
Yep.
So I feel like so if I look at this chart right now, I'd say it's bearish. But 1, 2, 3, and it swept it, and now it's reversing, and it's gonna go sit on top of this uptrend. And this is the example that I gave you today, where look, it goes up, you think it's retracing to go higher, but it goes down, sweeping all of these people. All the shit. You're not even on my screen.
Mm.
Let me share my screen
Oh,
for just
go
a
share.
second.
Are you sharing or is it still me?
Yeah, now I'll share. Well, only one of us can share. That's pretty convenient.
Mm.
So here goes down. Okay,
Mm.
respects this past trend. This is the U.S. dollar.
Mm.
Pretty much drives UJ. Okay, look at it. As it's going up, I
Yeah.
keep thinking though, even on UJ, I keep thinking that it's gonna stop going down. Like, yeah, I have these marked, but honestly, bro, I never expected them to get filled so soon. Because it left all of this in like 2 days. Like Thursday, they left this all these fair value gap, and then Friday as well. Like,
Yeah.
Friday. And then
Mm.
I didn't think it would fill. Look, it disrespected so many big fair value gaps. Like my chart only gets cleaner and cleaner. I swear.
Yeah.
I removed like 6 from inside here, 15-minute 1 hours. But so I'm looking at the decks. I'm like, no, 100% it's gonna go up. But it kept coming down because this buy side liquidity line was originally something like this, and then I tweaked it like
Wait, so is
this.
this mimicking UJ?
Yeah, but look, USD JPY,
Bro,
so
that's
look,
crazy. That's
and then
crazy.
the index. That's just in the last 4 hours. Let's go to 8 hours.
Bro, that's crazy.
Dex, UJ, daily. Hold on. same thing for the most part. And then that's USD JPY for you, right?
Yep.
So now if I take this UJ, bro, like look at it right now. That's what I'm saying. You would think here it would retrace back and go up, but the DEX. So, I don't know what happened to my computer. It started lagging. Yeah, I'll probably have to exit the stream and come back. But you see here, you would think that it would, once it taps this area of support for the DEX, it would shoot all the way up. Look where it was a couple weeks ago. March, it was like almost 7% higher than it was before, bro.
Well, there's a lot of money to be made,
in buys. Now that the US economy, bro, I'm on financial juice like 2 hours a day. And on the chart, like 4 hours. And then on YouTube, like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Bro, Walker, man, his last couple podcasts have been slapping the lip. Tomorrow, after work, I'm probably going to watch the Riz ones, the Chart Fanatics, those ones.
Okay.
And just see what are traders, because like there's zones. We use trends more than zones, but I want to understand zones to see where price wants to go to. Because bro, like if I zoom out on the DEX, like look what it did. It took like everybody, okay. Once the price came here, look how many times it's been tested? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over the last 2 years, only 5 times. So you would think that it's going to bounce up. I watched this YouTube video of a guy talking about how the US index no longer, ever since Trump came in from here, it no longer acts as it did in the past. So, and then look, swept daily liquidity, even weekly, like all these weekly points. Swept them all, and now wants to shoot up. I don't know. So, not bad.
What are these fair value gaps?
So we'll start after the OB.
You should remove some of these. You should remove some of these, bro.
So look at this. No, so this was like a case study. Look at this. So when I was looking at, I wanted to take a short. I took a long. Okay, I'm pretty sure this was the buy. This why we have this on MetaTrader. So I took the long right here. But look, it stayed. Once it started bearish, it stayed bearish, and as it started bearish, it flipped and it tapped the smallest fair value gap. And once it tapped the smallest, which is also in the 1 hour OB, so take this in, it was perfect correlation. 1 hour OB. Okay, and you have 5, 15, and 30 minute. Look, you can see the 15 minute all the way up here. Okay, I'm on the 15 minute right now. I go on 30. You can also see the same thing. Look, same. But I just remove them because we don't need them. They're redundant. Okay. So after break structure, it leaves a fair value gap, comes down, okay? And during Tokyo, early London, it hovers. And then during New York, it taps into the smallest fair value gap and moons down. As it's mooning down, even I was looking, even if you put equilibrium from here to here, or from here to here, you'd get nothing in discount. But price before continued going down tapped into a very important little area. Also a 15-minute fair value gap right here. So I'm like, that's what I mean. UJ has been extremely unpredictable. That's why all these little fair value gaps, bro, are accounted for. I'll delete them probably this weekend. I still want to review this again. Here, from up here to here, there's no discount. Like, look, there's no fair value gap anywhere, but price taps into a 10-minute fair value gap. Or a 15 as well, but it's 15 is about 1 pip. So I just didn't put it. Goes down, taps into another 15, eats shit, leaves behind the 15. I take a buy, goes up, eats shit, leaves all of this in its wake.
Bro,
Taps goes, taps goes, taps goes. Look, even this one, bro, today, 8:30 in the morning.
it's literally been trading with the trend. Khalas.
Yeah, but look at this, 15 minute, 1 hour. So I
That's
can delete this one. I
that's
don't need this.
insane.
So it's actually done the but even on the 1 hour, it does not invalidate it. Technically, this 1 hour is stronger than this 15 minute. Because
Mm,
look here, it taps into the 1 hour earlier. Doesn't tap into it raw. So it's like all of this 1 hour. Yo, oh my god, bro. Don't even get me started. So I'm just like, once it stopped leaving 15-minute fair value gaps in
mm,
30 minute and 1 hour, I was like, this is gonna reverse soon. Like there's no fair value gaps. One right here on my right now. But point is that like selling pressure has died. And bro, what did I tell you earlier? I deleted like 30 bullish fair value gaps. It was 30 bullish fair value gaps that I deleted. I deleted all of them up there, so it invalidated them. And then now it's sitting between a 4 hour and a 1 hour.
mm. Bro, the issue is these fair value ups are too fat.
Well, look, it retraced the fair value gap, but it did not disrespect either of them. Look, 1 hour, it did not disrespect it. 4 hour, did not disrespect it. And you could even say it tapped into this 1 hour. No, not really. But point is, it did not disrespect it. And now it's
Mm.
going to continue this
Now, do you think?
bullish momentum. That's what I think.
Oh,
But
wait, price is at where market opened,
boy,
like where market closed last week.
yeah, market closed last week here. Yeah, now it's here. There's look, you see this 4 hour fair value gap? That's where it's in right now. And then there's another one here, but I
Bro,
don't know. It'll come and fill this one. Filling this one would
oh,
be steep.
but then that's why I'm on AU sells.
Yeah, I know, because you're bought, because that means UJ buys in a way. There's some correlation, bro. Taken. So look at this. I know it's in this 4 hour fair value gap. You can tell, right? I don't
Mm-hmm.
want to draw it because everything's hidden. But there's another one right here. And if it comes to fill this one, then, well, fuck me. I'm screwed. I want to go like 3 lots, bro, and just catch it and get the accounting
Yeah.
phase one done. 3 lots with 100
Oh,
point risk.
sorry, one sec, bro. Is there crazy thunder outside?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I just like felt the flicker, bro. Jeez. Anyway, sorry. Keep going.
But yeah, essentially, I want to
Yeah,
take a 3 lot trade.
it's legit, bro. Imagine you put a one lot from 145 to 140. I don't know, 146.
Yeah, 145, bro. That's where I wanted to enter. You know what I saw? But I was like, it's too good to be true. I already got shafted too many times. So there was
Yo, draw an EQ here.
there's no EQ. You mean like a negative one?
Hmm, yeah, like going up. I don't know. I mean, it's
Going
show.
up?
No, going up, going up.
No, there's no EQ, bro. It
Fair
it
enough. Fair
it
enough.
didn't leave anything behind.
Yeah, that's valid.
There's this 15-minute fair value gap. I'll draw it out because if it comes back to tap it, we're taking this long. But look, did it really disrespect this 1 hour fair value gap that I drew? No. So until it disrespects it, taps this green one. But
Oh,
no,
wait. Is that a bearish fair value gap that you're looking at?
so this one, 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Look from here,
Yeah.
this candle to this candle. So
Hmm.
1 hour. So if it disrespects it, comes back to tap the 15. If it disrespects it and comes back to tap the 15, you could think that it's making a lower high here. Because look, let me drag this.
Yeah, it is.
You know,
Yeah.
so it hasn't broken this yet. Has not. So, anyways, so it would have to break both of these, come here, and then we can take a long. But
Yeah.
honestly, bro, I really like. I genuinely wanted to go like 3 lots here, which would be like two. Which would be like two.
What the hell happened?
But alhamdulillah. Oh, what's
Oh, what
AD?
is this retracement, bro?
Holy crap! Oh,
Holy shit, we're literally 5% down. Let's get it.
yeah, I love it. Let's get
Bro,
it, bro.
it's fine, bro. We're good.
We're so blessed. Alhamdulillah. But just let's see.
Wait, let me just go get some water. Let me fill up my water bottle.
Well, alright. Damn. It's gonna fucking crash. It's gonna kill this. It's gonna kill it. I know it's gonna kill it. It's gonna smoke this level. It's gonna eat it. It's 10 pips, 8 pips, 7 pips, 5 pips. 5 pips from smacking everybody. 5 pips. God damn it. God damn it. Bro, I should have seen this. UJ had a 5 minute, a 15 minute, and a 30 minute BOS.
For the buy?
Mm, look, so long as I think it's gonna disrespect this fair value gap right now. It's Friday.
Um,
This is gonna be catastrophic. UJ's gonna fucking get
holy shit, yeah, you.
slapped.
Okay, so then draw the new order block. Because technically this could be like an. Actually, no. I think it's not
15
an
minute.
order block. It's not an order block because that's reacting off of the fair value gap, so.
Oh, that's a good point. I don't
Jesus.
even know.
Well,
SubhanAllah, yeah, I heard that through your mic.
Gabriel.
Gabriel Jesus. Yeah.
Uh,
We should go pray right now and then come back. Continue.
yeah, let's do that.
Alright, I'm gonna stay on the thing. Just gonna
Yeah,
go make wudu, pray, and come
I'm
back.
gonna make
5 minutes.
as well. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's ready.
Wait, breath.
Sir, hello.
No, these guys watching Avengers.
You say my dog. Can you hear me?
I'm saying that man's in an L right now, bro.
What are you in an all for, my guys?
Huh?
What are you in an all for? Why are you not?
Bro, what the hell? How did AU just flip?
No. No. Yeah. Bro, these markets
Oh,
are
like,
actually ruthless. That
bro,
no
it's like
mercy.
you're and then now you're just reversing again. Ay, ay, ay.
Do you see? These markets have no mercy. Literally, no mercy.
What is going on? What is going on, bro?
Oh, what's going on, man?
What
Damn,
is
there
going
was no 15 fair value gap until now. It tapped into it after like a full day. That's crazy. But even people like Alex G said and forget. That shit is stressful, fam. I want to be in and out.
Bro, this guy holds trades for days.
Yeah, bro. I'm still keeping my eye
Bro,
on the
like,
story.
imagine making $1 million in 3 days,
Yeah.
4 days. Crazy. This guy's built different.
No, I don't think it's gonna go to the 15-minute fair value gap on
Wait,
Weebish.
on UJ?
Should I enter? It's just retracing after
Wait,
breaking 5, 15, and 30.
hold on. Let me see. It's reacting off of this 1 hour though. So
Yeah, I know.
do you want to wait until it reaches your thing?
Yeah.
But then like that's where EQ would be, right? You could draw a new EQ here.
Could I against the trend? Yeah, I see it. Could I? But could I?
I have no idea though.
Oh, and as always, Allah knows best. I don't know. Oh, imagine you could see the chart one day in advance. Oh my god.
Do me.
Imagine you had a superpower, not only seeing the future, specifically just seeing the chart in the future. And you knew what it looked like, whether that be Bitcoin, any asset, doesn't matter. Mutually,
Bro,
that's nice.
bro, we passed life, bro.
We'll be the richest traders to ever walk this planet.
Seriously, bro.
Because then it's easy. It's so easy.
Yeah.
Bro, I keep watching shots, those trades.
Yeah.
They're fantastic, and they're all
These
gold.
are like beautiful entries, bro.
Man.
Damn, Tory trades took a 60K loss. Let's go. Love hearing stories like these.
Why? What?
I love hearing stories like these because we're in the same boat. Taking
Oh,
losses. We're taking losses, nigga.
I was taking dumb losses, man. So
We're trying to wipe the account the other way.
subhanallah, bro, the sky just lit up all white.
Yeah, subhanallah.
Subhanallah. Oh my. It's flipping bullish. It's flipping bullish.
Wait, but this is a perfect example, Bando, of you chasing price,
Yeah,
not letting price come to you.
that's true. That's true.
You are only gonna take a trade if it retraces off of that 15 minute. That's it. What the hell was that? Was that a door? Oh my god. Who is this?
Cancel. Must open
Who is this? Who is this little boy who entered the chat?
Yeah, let me introduce the chat to stream to Kenya.
Yeah, what time are you trying to stay on till 5:15, 5:30?
Oh, 5:15.
Yeah, makes sense. And then I'm gonna wake up at like 9:30. Get
Yeah.
just a little bit of work done, and then head to the gym. Come back, go gym on.
You don't have work tomorrow?
Bro, it's very chill. I finished with that one annoying client I've been working with. So by God, what a day to be done with them.
That's true.
So they're done. They're out the way. I just have some offline work, very little that I need to do. And then I just have this one call from 1 to 1:30. That's it.
That's literally gym time.
And then, yeah, bro. And then 3:15, Man United are playing. So
What
10
time is Jamal for you? What time is it?
miles at 2:40 on campus.
Not 1:40?
Nah, they're doing 2:40, which is fine. I'll take it, bro.
Yeah, that's super fun. That's pretty good.
How was it with Gene last night?
It was good. Just chill. We went on a walk.
You guys grab food or something? Or you just like,
No, I picked it up pretty late.
what?
So I picked it
Oh
up
my
pretty late.
God, the guy sitting there, bro. Ah, it's so bright.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, I need to pin this.
No. He left. He left, bro. He left. No, I can tell
Yo, let's play some Imora,
you. What?
Andrew Tate. Imora, Andrew Tate. What did he say? Yeah, this.
It's 3 in the morning. You're in a gas station. You're in your car. You're in your Toyota. You're all broken. You're sitting there filling up with gas. You see a Lamborghini, and a guy gets out 3 in the morning on a Tuesday, and you look at him in his Lambo. You look at all of his money. Do you think, wow, he must have got a really good degree? Or do you think, drug dealer, criminal, gangster? You intrinsically look to crime, not because you think he's a criminal, but because you understand that if you stay within the rules of the matrix, if you stay within the parameters of society, you cannot achieve extraordinary things. You know intrinsically he's broken some rule to get where he is. Following the path of school, college, university, degree, job, debt, mortgage is never going to get you that car. So you know he had to do something else. It's 3 in the morning.
Imora.
You're oil farming right now.
The dream is not to have a Lambo. Since I got to Dubai,
No, you can't see it. This is gonna be you and Gene. In the Beamer. In the Beamer.
M5 competition.
And then boom, the guy
He's
ran.
driving an M5 competition.
Yeah. And then boom, he starts freaking gassing it, bro. Goes up to 180, 200 on the highway.
Yeah, that's my guy right there.
That's what it's about, bro. And his Rolex as well, Rolly on the wrist. Like, bruh, come on, man.
He's vibing.
Yeah. He's vibing, bro. Mm.
Yeah, another video like that. That's inspiration.
Please don't stop the music. I just wanna use it. I know Price wants to return to this order block on AU.
Oh,
So, so why? So it, is this a 1 hour? Did I do a 1 hour order block? Yeah, it's a one. Yeah, this is a 1 hour on AU. But what a move that. Bro, look at that, bro. What did I tell you? I'd be up at 3:30. I just can't do this. Jaws up as well right now. What a guy.
Yeah, I do. Look at my camera.
Yeah.
My screen is going
Sure.
white.
What?
My room is going white.
I can't hear you.
My whole room is going white.
I still can't hear you.
So my whole room is going white.
What? You're gonna send me a voice note? I wanna take you. Man, I can't see you. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
I was saying that my whole room is going white. And then thunder, lightning.
About audio stuff, Laura. Yeah, price has to be affordable.
Yeah, bro, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Am I glitching out, or uh, are you
Can you
glitching
hear
out?
me?
You're glitching out a little bit.
Yo, can you hear me? Oh, yeah, good. Can you hear me?
What one game?
Log on, man. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mother shorty, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you fucking hear me right
Hold up.
now? Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, 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 yeah. No, I'm just testing my camera. It's retarded. I should be able to hear me now. Yeah, I should be able to hear me now.
Chat, 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 you dead. Bands, bands, you hear bands? Put the share on mute. Can you hear me? Bands. Yo, it's gonna disappear.
Now, if you start visualizing this and you get your pattern recognition starts getting better and better, we're gonna
Nothing you hear me. What the fuck? Live. All right, please.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? Yo, bro, I can my headphones all the way up.
really you guys should start understanding by now.
Why can you not hear me?
There's Asia. That is our liquidity.
Damn.
Straight. So we ask, where's liquidity? London lows number one, Asia lows number two. We have easy draws on liquidity lower. We have our inverse dramatic gap set up here. We've got a V-shaped recovery out of the higher time frame bearish gap. Okay. Out there grinding on this trade and shit.
I can't hear you.
Yo, I'm talking.
I don't know why I can't hear you. Speak.
Yo,
Okay, now I can.
yeah, I've been talking.
I don't know. It's been very low, so I put my thing on full.
Yeah. Alright. Okay.
Okay,
I think,
I'm gonna be here for another like 10 minutes.
yeah, I was gonna say, I think I'm gonna call it. Bro, I'm gonna wait. It's a fair value go. Could be waiting for hours.
I will
But
take
Asia
you.
high, I see Asia high.
Mm-hmm.
Subhanallah, bro. There's overspin. Asia high. This is over. You
I
can
mean,
believe it.
it's showing a reaction off of the red fair value, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't you think, no, but then it's against my thing.
If I go down, you go down.
Yeah.
But you see this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. You know, it's a big one, but it has not disrespected it. Even this 4 hour. You don't know.
Jesus. That's not fair. How does SJ just do this? No banda.
What the hell? It's not fair. Yo, 500 pips? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is SJ doing?
There's no news.
God damn it, what is that? No, Monday 15.
Oh, I drew 5. My bad. These are 5-minute fair value drops. I wanna take you. What the fuck?
You're gonna notice that all of
Jesus,
the
Jesus,
Batcat models will look crazy.
Jesus.
They're gonna look like that.
Are you looking at
So
Scarface?
that is how you trade.
No, I'm looking at the video I sent you.
Something
Oh, okay.
standing right now. There's London Low. Here's Asian. I want to give you guys a physical representation of the price today. So that red line vertical is the 930 price. This is my kill zone. This is price action, and then this is end of my kill zone at 11:30 today. We called it. You can see inside of these two red bars here, right? The market is not doing anything. Okay? It's stuck inside of the range, right? So we are literally range bound trading, which for my model doesn't really suit me well. Also, the market is putting in SFTs. You have bullish SFTs, bearish SFTs here. There's multiple other SFTs punched inside of this copy price action. You see multiple SFTs on the bearish side and the bullish side. The market is indecisive on where it wants to go. This right here is a great example of low probability sideways stock price. There's PPR. Talking on that 1 minute time frame. Come up, we sweep liquidity. Okay? Here's your change in the state. Right here. That's the CISD. Right here. Okay? There's your inverted gap. Sitting inside this PPR. Right here, guys. Inverted gap. Change in the state. Retest of the inversion. We're short here. Stops in this case will be right above this high. Okay? My TVs are going to be down at all this junk down here. It's all free liquidity. Free liquidity. They build up. Okay? If you want to run your stop above the swing high, totally appropriate. Totally appropriate. Boom. Not a big bottom. Straight towards that resistance where they built up there. No trades taken today. Here we go. We manipulate to the downside. First presented fair value gap on the manipulation leg, guys. You guys can see here. Here's our manipulation. That's going to be our money sweep. Let's work it out for you guys so we understand what we're doing here. Go in. That's our money sweep now. There's a manipulation. There's stops getting ran. People that went long here just got ran right to the downside. Their stops got tagged. Now I'm looking for a 1 minute inverse to the upside. Okay. Now I'm just going to break down exactly what I saw. At this point, everything's framed. I'm just waiting. We don't need to do anything else. We frame the trade. Okay. We are framed and ready to go. Boom. Let me just go over here. Let me flip right here. Okay. Boom. On this candle, we're in the strip. Okay. Now we flip. We have a 1 minute inverse to the upside. I have plenty of liquidity to draw into, guys. Plenty of liquidity, man. 6 take profits that we were looking at today, right? So at this point, guys, the trade is framed. We're in the trade. Stops are below the inversion. TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the fastest trade moves in our direction. Once we get, momentum, we're out. Full TP, 16 E's slapped. And this trade only took us about 34 minutes. It's crazy. Ends up delivering 6 TPs for 51 points on. Yo, PJ, why don't you? I'm a 9-year professional day trader, and this is how I plan to trade the markets the week of May 12th to May 16th. Now, Mondays, when there's no
Come on, brother. My fun, my fuck. You wanna go clubbing, baby?
I'm sorry.
You wanna go clubbing?
No, I just want to play this song in my car.
After, yeah, after we blow $1 million on whips.
Exactly. That's
Yo, listen, our first supercars have to be the same. Two, I'm picking them. Two, all black, red interior, Ferrari 488, Pista
V12?
Spider.
No V12?
Trust me, trust me.
Hmm.
488 Pista Spider, all black with a gray line, dark Nardo gray in through the thing.
488. Okay.
Pista Spider, search it up. Pista Spider,
488. Oh my
Pista
god.
Spider, Pista Spider.
488.
Look at the stream. Look at the stream.
Pista Spider.
Look at
Oh
the
my
stream.
god, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
It's a V8.
yeah, trust me, bro. It's insane.
It's a V8. So it must be cheap. Cheaper. It's a fucking V8. How is it a V8? It's not a V12?
Trust me, bro. You don't need it. Or we get the 812 super fast
Yeah,
and
812.
Largo. Super fast, hold on, and Largo. Look at my screen. Look at,
Yeah,
can you
I'm
see
on
it?
it. Yeah.
Or,
Oh, I just
or
love a Revolto, bro. Revolto
no, no,
looks
I hate the Revolto. Listen,
really. It looks so nice.
trust me. Yeah, actually, it's decent. It doesn't look that bad.
Hmm.
So, so, or super fast. Listen, that's even nicer.
Jesus.
I want this one or this one. This is my favorite one. The black with yellow. It's my favorite one. Look at that. Look at that. This is the sexiest vehicle ever made in mankind.
Beautiful.
Rip this on the track every Saturday morning. You and me.
Yeah, bro. I can't wait. Inshallah. I mean, ya Rab, bro.
Just work on the dream, baby.
That's it, bro. You do it now and then you reap the benefits later, bro. I can't wait, bro. I literally cannot wait to pull up in that car.
This is the same model
Uh huh.
that guy just showed us.
Which guy?
What the hell? Look at this video.
Manipulation, like, as you guys can see here, here's our manipulation.
It's the same guy that I sent you earlier. I sent it to you on messages.
Wait, let me see.
Now, water, water.
It's literally UJ on a stick.
Now, start visualizing this. Get pattern recognition better, better. You're gonna notice that all of again, basic. They're gonna look like that. Here we go. Manipulate to the downside. First presented for again.
Okay. So there was a bearish 15-minute fair value gap somewhere along the road that turned a bullish fair value gap.
Mm.
Yeah, right here. So like even on so
Are
the
you
call,
sharing?
oh damn it. I miss.
Yeah.
So 1 hour, you can see it. 15, you can see it.
Mhm.
There's a 15-minute inside of it right here, or a 15-minute here, between here and here, and then a 15 right above it,
Yeah.
and then so that's a good signal. But then this is the manipulation. So like this was a low that was set during Tokyo session. It bounced off of it, And
Yeah.
this low is essentially this exact low, the 982. That's what
Yeah.
is from here. Oh, you see,
Uh,
look at this, bro. Look, even during bullish times, it came like throughout the week Thursday, it came to 145 and then
mm,
open Sunday 148, bro. Like by Monday, you know, that's so
mm,
it's like before these crazy moves happen, it shows you some shit. But it's very difficult. Listen, I noticed with UJ while I was backtesting. Yo, I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna I'm gonna do something interesting for the stream. Um, maybe I'll do it somewhere else.
oh
Um,
my god.
so look right here with UJ, it's near damn near impossible to. Okay, so Feb 2025, right? So I'll let it play quickly. 1 hour. Oh, it taps the weirdest stuff, especially on UJ. 15 minute taps the weirdest stuff. Show you a quick representation. Okay, so right here, look, you see this? Where is it? From here to here.
Mm,
Okay, I missed it earlier. But if you drag it, it's right here. I just, like, I saw it with my eyes, but here I missed the entry. Taps again, I'm buying. Let's just say, be realistic, 1K. Okay, set my stop loss here.
bro, you want GPY?
Yeah, like 2 to 1. Every trade I was doing was 2 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Let me play this and show you. It taps the craziest things. So. And I closed my eyes while I was in backtesting mode. Like to get to this week, I didn't see the data. Just what I'm okay. All right. So there's that 2 to 1
Yeah.
secured. Hold on. But this is a lot of days waiting, bro. Like that's the thing. This is the wait. This has been sitting on me. Oh, fuck off! What just happened? Boom. Oh, there was news. Okay, so it's gonna tap into this 15-minute fair value gap. Tap right here, and then 5 minute break of structure. See, I buy right here. It's a little late, but I'm being realistic. That's what happens in the market.
Mm,
Put it right below here. I'm just trading with the trend. 2 to 1. What is it? Maybe I'll tuck it a little bit. 2 to 1. All the way. But I get stopped. No way. No way. Yo. Oh god. Okay. So we get tapped in again, so we get
bro,
stopped.
what the frick just happened?
Second attempt
What the frick just happened?
on what?
AU.
No, tell me it's good.
Mostly, what do you think happened?
Nah, don't make me cry right now.
What can we do, bro? It's life.
Okay, so now I'm convinced this is a deep ass retracement on the
It's gonna fill the fucking yeah. It's gonna fill the imbalance.
Okay, then right now I'm still in profit. This will be the last trade. Okay, we have 5-minute break of structure. I'm gonna just put my stop loss
Alright.
right. Okay.
Oh my god, I've gone back to my bed.
Okay. Now we have some sort of a reversal. Okay. So now I try trading with the trend. It didn't
Okay,
work.
try trading with the trend here.
Yeah. So no, I mean like it became very obvious to me in the span of these 2 days. Price moved 1,300 pips. So like so right here, there's 2 15 minutes, one here, and then here to here, very tight. But I'm gonna enter sales very soon. I'm just gonna wait for 5-minute break structure. Done. I'm selling. Stop loss. Top of this 50-minute fair value gap. Bring it down here. Oh, fair value gap right here. I tapped into it. I want to enter a small
Yeah.
sell position, but I'll keep it. Oh, I just doubled. So my entry just got stronger. All right.
Yeah, but look at
So
your
I'll
stop.
tuck my stops here
Okay.
or at the top of the fair value gap and get some stats again.
Yeah.
And then continue pushing.
Bro.
Oh,
Top
no,
sell.
wrong. Okay,
Oh, thanks.
beautiful. Okay. Now I want to say we would have entered again here because from here to here is a good 40 pips. So you can
Yeah.
enter off of this discount. But hey, you get what I'm trying to tell you. Boom.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're up not even 10%. I don't know how much we started. We'll see in a minute. I've been wanting to show you this. Okay. Now we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap right here. No strong close. 5-minute break structure. So, all right. Before I let it play out, put it up here. Very conservative. And it's the same entry we had before on the left. Okay, but this time we're gonna target just past this liquidity because it'll crack it and then sweep. Watch. Just have a good feeling about this. Come on. Oh, they already swept it right here. So can we close it?
Keep playing. Keep playing. Keep playing.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so close.
TP high.
Okay, so now right here, 15 minutes, 1 hour. But we get a 15-minute tapping and a break of structure. So this is low probability, so I'll keep this like real tight and I'll keep it fairly reasonable. You know what? I'll enter cells again here. No, not yet. I'll enter, yeah, no, not yet. Range bound day. Oh, we almost got stopped out. Bam,
That's
damn.
crazy.
You see that? You see that?
That's crazy.
That one, bro. Okay. And you would have entered again here. But I said it when we were at this point. I said, let me enter again here. But it was too risky because it was so close to the stop.
Yo,
So
you know what's
let's
crazy?
continue. What?
GJ entered the fair value gap again. Okay, man.
Okay. This is beautiful.
He's rocketing.
Let me sell. Small position. Oh, I might tap into it again. look at this. Boom. So long as you can, you trade with the trend until it does something stupid on you. Like this right now, I'm about to get shafted.
Yeah.
Maybe increase my stop loss to the top of the fair value gap. Keep it extremely. This is the biggest trade we've had on this account so far. Holy smokes.
There we go.
Wow.
Wow.
And we're about to hit TP. I just know it. Maybe I'm being arrogant. Yeah. Okay.
Well,
So
does it hit TP after? See?
this wasn't a real high. Yeah.
It hit TP
It does hit TP. That wasn't real high.
No. Bro, what is this?
But then look here, I would have entered because it would have been a discount. This is
Yo,
UG.
UG's in a fair value gap right now.
Oh my god. UG. Baby girl.
Bro, tell me how US has gone up tremendously, instrumentally, but
One.
fucking AUD USD is just fucking moving like this, bro. What is this?
If this is the case, then it's not the index that went up or down. It's the JPY that went up. It's the JPY that
Bro,
went up
it's
and down.
USD bro.
USD CHF. That means it's the CHF that went down up a lot. Yeah.
You snapped. Anyways, yo, mom, I'm gonna go to sleep now.
Yeah, you look at so many pairs, man.
I know, it's
Yeah.
crazy.
Taking this buy right now is proving to be absolutely nuclear.
Are you looking to put something in? You can only put something in once it hits a fair value gap, nothing else.
Should I put a buy limit order on the Ferrari? Like
No,
a point.
buy limit's too risky.
Bro.
Because it's a
Come on.
small fair value gap.
Okay, bro, promise me this. If
Mm,
you wake up at 9, I'll probably wake up at like 11.
okay.
If you wake up and it has tapped this 15-minute, or there's even a 30-minute I'm going to draw right now. Because
Where?
the top, it's about, let me see, how many pips is it?
Nah, don't tell me you're drawing that. N-
0.2
No way
pips?
are
It's
you
not going
drawing
to
that.
tap it.
No way in hell are you drawing
This one pip, yeah, my top it.
that.
No, bro, I showed you half a fucking pip over there up there. You want to
Yeah,
see how thin these
those
ones
ones
were?
going down there.
Bro,
Do you think it'll retrace that low?
like 174 to 195.
Yeah,
So,
I remember that. I remember. But
yeah,
do you think it'll retrace that low though?
to this 15. Or no, not to the 30.
Maybe it could. Honestly, bro, just put it, bro. I don't care. We're down 5.5.
No, because then the stop loss would be huge. Like, this was perfect.
Oh yeah,
The stop, I just, you know what, man? The stop was originally like here, 929, something like that.
yeah.
Something like this.
Sounds good.
But I'm going to delete this. Yeah, actually, I'm just going to see what price goes. Alright, my bro. I think this is it for us tonight.
Yeah, good session, nonetheless.
Rock for you. Alhamdulillah.
So I'll see what I can do during New York. I don't know if I'll do much because it's Friday, but
Yeah.
yeah, let's see what happens.
Inshallah. Shoot me a text once you wake up. Maybe we'll hop on stream.
Okay, yeah, I'm down.
I love every time I went on. hop
Yeah,
on, like even just to trade for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll just hop on stream. So
yeah,
there's a log of, oh, what if you say something about a pair or you think something and, you know, once you once you say it between you and yourself, you wish that you had a record of it, right? I
yeah,
don't know. That happens sometimes. Or it happened more than once. So I'm like, this is if I'm just thinking for 5 minutes and I can talk and it be recorded with the screen looking, then hell yeah.
yeah. I see it. Yes, blood.
Alright, family. Have a good night, my brother.
You too as well. Sleep
Good
tight.
session, fam. Okay.
It's Ash. I'll see.
Yeah, you know what? Maybe next week. Uh,
We got Monday, so Monday we can tune in. Monday.
Monday, you wanna fly here and we'll go to the office?
Monday.
Or Tuesday
Oh
if you
yeah,
want.
yeah.
If you
Wait,
want to.
what are you doing on Saturday?
Saturday, I'm helping Mama.
Oh
Oh, we have those guests that are coming over, bro.
yeah. Okay, you're prepping for Monday. Then on Saturday.
Jawad, I spoke to Jawad the other day. He told me something you guys might plan to do something this weekend.
This week? Oh, okay. I went out with these guys last week, so
He told me you guys had some Korean barbecue. I'm like, bro, I love Korean barbecue.
yeah, it was very nice. It was very